Today, we're going to be reviewing the Revashelf steel bottom mount wastebasket system, its practicality, durability, and where one should place it within their kitchen. I'm Dino, and on this channel we speak about home development, renovation, and design. How to build your dream home, renovate your current areas, or spruce up just a tiny little space within your current home. Today we speak about the kitchen-based wastebasket system, how this system will add value and ease into your current everyday life. This is my personal kitchen here in the Green Pacific Northwest. I designed this kitchen myself. I was also the general contractor for this house, all while operating a kitchen and bath cabinet store out of Seattle, Washington, and nationwide online. I designed this kitchen with a minimalist approach, but also while blending it in with the environment. It's very easy for me to use, very easy to eat in, very easy to cook, and at the end of the day, it's very easy for me to clean. It's a very open space. It is an L-shaped design, seems to work very well. Today I'm going to be showing you where I placed the wastebasket system and how it's been treating me over the last couple of months. When looking for an area to place a trash can within this open kitchen, I simply couldn't find a good area. If I did place it, it was just going to be sticking out like a sore thumb. So I decided to go with the Revashelf wastebasket system. It sits underneath the counter, completely stowed away from everybody's eyes. It is still easy to use and pull out, and the two garbage bins that actually come with the product really hold a lot of solid volume. I only have to take out my garbage, say every 1 or 2 days, which is for me pretty good. So you got two bins, one can be holding your garbage, the other could be holding your recycle bin. You choose what to do with it. For me, it has been working very well in that regard. So value number one, it sits underneath the counter and completely out of the way. Value number two of the Revashelf wastebasket system, soft closing drawer glides, no slamming whatsoever. This cabinet gets opened 30 to 50 times per day, as I have come to find out. You open it with your hands, with your legs, sometimes you close it with your knees. So it really takes a lot of beating. Now, if it slammed every single time that I did that, I think I would go nuts. It doesn't, so that's value number two. No slamming whatsoever. For the last 3 months, I've put different amount of weight, I should say, every single day within this wastebasket. So I've had all different types of garbage. It has never stuttered even once. It continues to function just perfectly. The drawer glide seems to be very durable, very solid. I can't say enough about this product. It really, really works well for me. I would like to mention that the Revashelf wastebasket system comes in a 15-inch wide or 18-inch wide format, meaning it will fit a base 15-inch cabinet and a base 18-inch wide cabinet. It can be bought on revashelf.com. Please just double check the current specifications. Make sure it will actually fit your cabinet before you buy it. Price. You may be wondering how much the system costs. On revashelf.com, it's $312. However, on abcabinetry.com, the wastebasket system, along with the cabinet that comes with the drawer on top, is $269. You might be thinking, how is this possible? I do not know. To be honest with you, I do not have an answer. That's just what we sell it as. Please take a look at our website, abcabinetry.com, and if you're unsure, please call one of our sales staff members at 206-484-2530. As mentioned, the base wastebasket system, 18-inch wide, on abcabinetry.com costs $269. It does have a drawer up top that can be used for storing Ziploc bags or garbage bags, which is the scenario that I use it for. I do want to mention we do have a sister website, edenzacabinets.com. It is European frameless cabinetry. So if you see the wall cabinets behind me here, these are used from our sister website. I completely trust our quality, our customer service. I have used these cabinets in my own personal home that I plan to live in hopefully for a very long time. So I really trust the product, and I really, really wish you will give us a try, and I think you will enjoy it as well. So far during this video, I've covered practicality of the Revashelf system, durability, the price, and a couple different options there. Next, I'm going to show you why I placed my wastebasket system where I did, and how you may be able to avoid some design mistakes that we see folks doing every single day. I placed my wastebasket system right next to the range and very close to the sink area as well. So whether I'm cooking, I have the wastebasket right to the left of me here. I'm cracking eggshells and I'm just throwing the garbage away. When I'm cleaning, I'm right by the sink. I open up the wastebasket. I am taking my food and throwing it into the garbage, whatever's left over, and sticking the plates right into the dishwasher. So It seems to work very conveniently for me. I urge you to either place the wastebasket next to the range or next to the sink, since that's where all of the garbage seems to end up anyways. If you can place it right in between those two areas, I think you're really in for luck for many years. Another reason why I placed the base wastebasket system on the left of my range instead of on the right hand side perhaps, is because I really wanted to scoot the range toward the center of the wall. So oftentimes we see folks making mistakes where they put a 36-inch wide Lazy Susan, for example, and then they have their range right next to the Lazy Susan. So it's almost a recipe for disaster, no pun intended, because your range is essentially going to be right here. So you're going to be stuck in the corner every single day of your cooking career. Don't do that. If you can, that is. I mean, if your kitchen is very small and you have to do that, it is what it is. But if you can skip out on that, please add a cabinet in between your corner cabinet and your range, if possible. Another handy tip, considering we see kitchen designs every single day. If you have the space, who says you can only put one wastebasket system? You can put maybe two. We've actually even seen three. We all know how much garbage we go through all the time, so maybe two wastebaskets is appropriate in your scenario. Think about the people in your household. Anyways, really think about these things when you're planning out your kitchen, and you can also get design help from our team at abcabinetry.com and adenzacabinets.com. We will do a free kitchen design for you, 3D renderings. It will all look realistic. You will know where each cabinet goes, how much it will cost. Just give us a try. I hope I was able to provide some good insight into the Rev-A-Shelf wastebasket system. In the upcoming videos, I'm really going to be showcasing how I built this home from the ground up. So I'm going to be really releasing a lot of tips and a lot of things that I wish people have told me when I first started working on this personal project. I really wanted to make it the best as I could for myself. So I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos, a lot of tips on how to build homes from the ground up and really renovate or spruce up your existing spaces. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe if you liked it. Bye-bye.